Good afternoon, ladies. This is Coach Galvan. I'm going to show you today where you guys can find all the workouts you'll need, as well as some skill videos that we'll be loading up a little bit later. But for the moment, all we have are the workouts, but I'm going to show you guys how to work those. So if you log into our softball page, the one that we joined at the beginning of the year, or if you joined us second semester, we had a lot of you guys join. If not, I'm going to send the Remind 101 access code so you guys can all get onto this class. If you scroll to the very bottom, I've made a folder called Spring Season 2020 at Home Workouts and Drills. Go ahead and open that, and it'll take you to the daily workouts and drills spreadsheet, okay? Now, if you're having a hard time opening it, you click on it, and it takes you to this page, and this isn't uploading. Go ahead and click on this link, and it'll open the page. Or if you click on this little arrow with a box on it, it'll do the same, okay? So once you go in there, it's going to have week 1 through 8 at the moment, which should take us all the way to the end of the year. It'll also have Monday's workout, as well as a video we'll upload later for softball skills for what we expect you to do on Monday. This is an expectation, okay? If you want to get better, today's the day to start working on it. Not in a couple of weeks or not when you have time. You got to make time. Okay, you got to stay up with your studies as well. So make sure you budget enough time to get these workouts done. There'll be about maybe 45 minutes a day that you'll have to devote to this. Now on the site, I'll tell you what level I'm expecting you to work on. So for example, let's open the first one today. It's called Chase. Now when you open it, some of them are going to have YouTube videos, others are not, okay? But if you start it from the very beginning, there's a timer. I expect you to do level 1. So level 1 is going to be a total of 3 sets, all right? And he or she will explain the video. So as you're going through them, what are the workouts? Okay, right now she's going on 10 high knees, so you got to do that 3 times. Get your plank leg raises. So that should be the second one. It's going to go into the third combo for plank leg raises. Okay. If not, you could just follow along with what she does. And then 10 hop heel clicks. Okay. You're not done yet. She's going to go through the entire workout, and that'll count as 1 set. So now she goes into the 10 combos, successive lounge step-ups. She'll do 10. As soon as she's done with those, she's going to go into 10 squat calf raises. Now these are all timed, so if you follow along with the timing as well as what he or she are showing you, you should be fine. Now let's fast forward a little bit. These are the 10 squat calf raises. And then she moves on to the last one, okay? So as she does one, it'll rest and tell you how long to take for rest, and then you'll move on into the second one, okay? In this case, this is going to be set number 2. Same thing, you repeat it, okay? For the first week, we're all going to stay at level 1. For week 2, you should be able to start moving up to level 2. And then for week 3, you guys should be able to start moving on to level 3. Now for level 3, or week 3, for example, if you go ahead and open that link, you're going to notice that there's only 1 level in this one, okay? It's not the entire thing. So you'll repeat this one all the way to level 3. This one's 7 sets. So she's only going to show you how to do 1 set, and then you repeat and rest on your own. So this one won't be the entire workout. Just go ahead and repeat the video as many times as you guys need. Now after week 6, I believe, there's no longer any videos, okay? So once you click on the link, it'll take you to the actual workout, and you'll just repeat the same thing, girls, the same thing that we've been doing. Here are the instructions. Repeat 5 times in total, up to 2 minutes. So for the first one on week 6, I am my own hero. You're going to do 12 lunges, 20 high knees, 12 side lunges, 20 high knees, 12 calf raises, 20 high knees, okay? And that'll count as 1. That's going to be set number 1. You go ahead and repeat it 5 times in total. Get your 2-minute rest in between. Any questions so far? If you do, go ahead and either Remind 101 me or Coach Gable, and we'll be able to answer your questions. That's it for the moment, okay? Yogas are self-explanatory, so go ahead and make sure you stretch really well on Wednesdays. We're going to try to stick to Mondays cardio, Tuesdays core, Wednesdays yoga, And then Thursday's cardio and Friday's strength. Okay. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we'll be posting some softball skills videos a little bit later. Remember, girls, this is not a break, so don't take it as one. Make sure you're working hard both at school and here at softball. Take care.